In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a job listing section on your Wix website using the Wix blog feature. Whether you're an employer looking to streamline your recruitment process or simply want to offer job opportunities to your website visitors, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and efficient to manage job listings on your site. Let's dive right in. First, what we need to do is log into your Wix account and open your site editor. If you're not familiar with Wix, the editor is your central hub for designing and managing all aspects of your site. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, as this will make the process smoother. Next, head over to the app market. This is where you can find a variety of applications and tools to enhance your site's functionality. Here you're going to look for the Wix blog app. Find it and click install, making sure it's properly integrated into your site. This will serve as the backbone for our job listings, allowing us to create and manage posts efficiently. Once the app is installed, our aim is to structure these job listings effectively. We start this by creating a new blog category. Click on the Wix blog app, go to the settings, and choose Add New Category. For simplicity, name this category Job Listings. By doing so, you ensure that all job postings are neatly organized under one section, which will help both you and your audiences locate job posts with ease. Now that your category is set up, it's time to add the jobs themselves. Each job should be added as a new blog post. When you create a new post, you'll want to include vital details such as the job title, a comprehensive description of the role, the requirements necessary for candidates, and all relevant application details. Think of this as your opportunity to fully inform and engage potential applicants, so make sure all sections are complete and articulate. To enhance the visitor experience further, you'll want to enable a search bar and filter. This is crucial, especially when you expect a large number of listings. Within the Wix blog settings, you can find options to add these features, allowing visitors to easily navigate and search for specific job titles or filter posts based on various criteria, making the job-seeking process straightforward and user-friendly. Lastly, don't forget to incorporate the application method. At the bottom of each post, provide a link to your job application form or a contact form. This final step ensures that interested candidates can seamlessly apply or reach out for more information, keeping the application process fluid and professional. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've now set up a dedicated job listing section on your Wix site. I hope this guide has made the process clear and helped you create an effective recruitment tool. Feel free to revisit any section if you missed a step, and happy hiring.